In this video, you will see Julian and Alyssa watch an animation of water being poured into a flask, and they'll think about what is the rate of change of height with respect to volume, whether it's constant, increasing, decreasing, both increasing and decreasing, or something else. I'll play the animation now. As they work, consider the understandings they express, and determine if their reasoning is valid.
So I'm thinking if we're looking at the pour in relation to like the water entering the flask, like the pour was constant the entire time. So let's watch it one more time. So it's constant and it doesn't actually change like how much water is being poured in from the pitcher.
Yeah, like before it would it
would expand. So
smaller.
I'm thinking it might be a constant rate.
Mm-hmm. I just think that I get what you're saying. I agree with you that the pour is constant, but that doesn't really take into consideration the shape of the flask.
Mm-hmm.
The area of that little slice of the flask is different than the base.
Yeah.
This is a lot bigger. I mean, these up here, these are a lot smaller. Wow. If we add the same amount of water, so say we add 1 milliliter, but if we added let's say from here, say this was our height, and then we add 1 millimeter, I think the water would fill up more of the flask because it gets narrower at the top. Oop, that's wrong.
So then, wouldn't that actually be a decreasing rate then?
So you think instead of this being increasing, you think that because what I was saying was down here, you need more water to make the height go up higher than up here, which would make it increasing. But you think that
since there's less volume up here, you would need
less water, or so there would less volume to fill. Was kind of what you're saying.
If there's less volume to fill, then the rate at which it's being filled is
the rate of the volume. Okay. I mean, I get what you're saying, that
I think
there's less volume up here, so the rate of the volume is decreasing as we add more water. Was that your thinking?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess that makes sense. I'm not sure though, because it doesn't really talk about the height that much.
In this video, Julian and Alyssa tried to determine the rate of change of height with respect to volume. They came up with multiple answers they thought were reasonable. We'll explore how to think about this problem in upcoming videos.